Hi friends, welcome to the KIE channel. Knowledge is everything. Today I'll show you how the event based subprocess will work. Let me log into the Business Central. Upon an event occurs, how the signal or error handling is being done, I'll show you through the event based subprocess. Let me log into the projects. Let me go to the KIE space, add a project, unit 4.1 event subprocess. So let it add. So here in 4.1 event subprocess got added. So I'll take an realistic example, the mortgage loan example itself. How if the manager approves, it will go to the positive flow. If the manager rejects, then it will go to the event based subprocess and it will abort the process. How it will behave, I'll show you. Just add an asset, event subprocess. I'll decrease the zoom. Just start the process, and after that I'll be assigning a human task like manager. I'll be creating a process level variable. I'll be taking approve boolean and approve. Along with that, I'll be adding another process level variable called input. So I don't want the custom. I'll select the existing thing itself, and this is of type string input. I'll be selecting an exclusive gateway. Here I'll be adding a here approved. Just save this one. And here I'll take the through intermediate signal. This is for the rejection scenario I'm taking. So after that approve end it, and here also end it. Now let us take the event based subprocess. So it will be residing within the process itself. What I will be doing, like, start with a signal instead of the normal start process. Start it with a signal and send mail to customer about the rejection. Just end this one. Now the relation between this throw signal and this start signal is I'll show you the properties. Just highlight this throw signal and go to the implementation. So it will be having properties signal. You can assign the signal name. I'm assigning signal name as like event signal, and scope I'm selecting like process instances level scope, and here also implementation or this thing I'll be selecting the event signal. So the both signal names should match, then only this throw event signal should be able to call this start signal, and the signal will be able to receive the parameters as well. So pass the input as the parameter. This is of type string, and input I am passing, and here also in the start signal receive the parameter. Input signal, and this is of type string, and while rejecting manager will give the reason. So I'll be adding the user as the WB admin, and I'm adding the task assignments data outputs as the input, and this is of type string, and here he can approve, the process level is approved. If it's true it will go here, and if it is false it will go there. And in the manager out data assignment outputs we need to add the approve also, which is of type boolean. So that's it guys, like the process starts and the loan approval went to the manager, and if manager approves it will go to the approved state, and if he rejects it it will go to the throw signal. And here we are utilizing the event based subprocess. Under the event based subprocess there is a start signal. That signal will receive the parameters whatever is being sent by the throw signal, and appropriately it will trigger a mail to the customer like loan got rejected, like that. Now add a sysort in the approved as well. And here we can print the reason as well. like whatever the manager has sent, right? That reason also we can print. And the rejection reason is reason. I'll print it here. Let us save this one, and validation is successful, so there are no validations. Yeah, now close this one and build and deploy. Now go to the process definitions. Now go to the process definitions. So this is the event based subprocess, and this is the diagram for it. Now go ahead and start the process instance, and these two values manager will give. So just submit, the process gets started, and just track the process instance where it is. If you see, still it is waiting for the manager approval. Go to the tasks and go for the rejection scenario, and he is not gonna approving it, and he will be mentioning like CIBIL score is less, boss. So just complete it. So if you see it in the logs also, if you see it in the process instance, it has come to the throw signal, and it has went to the event based subprocess, and it got aborted. And just 1 minute, I'll check the logs. Here we haven't changed the thing, that is the reason it got like a loan approved. Now I have changed it. Just save this one. So for better understanding, I'll go to the execution servers. I'll stop the container, remove it, then go to the projects, go to the event subprocess, deploy it once again. So now go to the process definitions, start the new process instance, just submit it, and it has went to the manager approval, and manager is not gonna approve because civil is civil score is less. Just complete this one, and if you see in the log, loan rejected, and the reason is civil score is less. And if you see the behavior of the process instance also, like rather than completed, it went into the aborted state. And if you see the diagram also, like it started and wait for the manager approval, and manager has rejected it, and we have utilized the throw signal concept here. And moreover, we have used the event based subprocess, so that whatever the start signal was active within the event subprocess, so that whenever a throw event was occurred, immediate catch event happened, and whatever the parameters we are sending it in the throw event, those are being received by the start. And it is when the followed script task got executed, and within the script task we have printed the input message. So this is the behavior of the event based subprocess.